Hi, thanks for looking at this one. So here we've got a Ford Transit, it's a 350, it's an L3 single chassis cab, tall pod tipper, so an aluminium tipper to the rear, 600mm tall pod, shelf at half height, heavy duty padlocks to both sides, roller shutter to both sides. Cab's factory shadow black. It's the 2 litre Euro 6 170, Vispac low, which gives you electric windows, mirrors and heated windscreen. This one also benefits from cab aircon. Delivery mileage vehicle. Import 2-year warranty. It's unregistered at the moment, so you'd be first keeper in the V5. So electric windows, electric mirrors, lights. Delivery mileage 120. Heated windscreen. 6-speed. Radio, AM, FM. Bluetooth for the telephone as well. Aircon. Dual passenger seat. The base lifts up for secret storage underneath the seat. You've also got overhead storage as well. Tall pod, big padlock, shelf at half height, roller shutter. Aluminium tipper to the rear, alley sides, alley tailboard, alley plank floor. Galv bulkhead, full mesh infill. Rear wheel drive, dual rear wheels. Wander lead in the cab for the tipper, which is in here, so just pull it out. And then the tipper is literally straightforward. You've got a master switch which you need to turn on. We'll put the plug in and then just straightforward up and down. Nice big heavy duty tipping ram. Up to full extension. So your tipper controller goes back in the holster. It's all neat and tidy, not on the floor. Safety switch, you need to have that key in for the tipper to work. So you've got the isolator switch you need to do each time. So galvanised steel underrunners, tipper to full extension. And you've got your padlock fitted on this one. Open the other side, close this side. Thanks for watching. If you need any more details or info, please give me a call in the office, 0118 979 0060. Thanks for watching.